Hello students, this is the third part of similar triangles. Today I am going to complete remaining two similarities, that is SCS similarity and SSS similarity. Okay, so last class I explained about AAA similarity and its corollary is AA corollary. So first of all I want to explain two problems based on AAA similarity. So this is our first problem, example 5 in our book. Okay, so a person 1.65 meters tall casts 1.8 meter shadow. So what is here the person, this is here the person whose height is 1.65 meters, okay, casts 1.8 meter shadow, 1.8 meter shadow. For example, at the same time a lamp post casts a shadow of 5.4 meters. We want to find the height of the lamp post. So light source here, for example, this is the sun. At the same time you want to find what is the height of the lamp post, so that it is making a shadow of 5.4 meters. The important thing is, so these two angles become same. So are here 90 degree, here 90 degree. So these two angles are same, these two triangles are similar from A similarity. I will show you. See on the diagram, this is the ground. Here one person, for example, this is one lamp post, this is another lamp post. For example, here light source, this is the light ray, for example. Okay, now I can say this is the shadow of this lamp post and this is the shadow of this lamp post. So what happened, this triangle and this bigger triangle are similar because this angle is common for both, and here 90 degree, here 90 degree, just they separated the diagrams. That's why what I can say here, so these two, angle C equal to angle R and angle B equal to angle Q 90 degree. So from AA similarity these two triangles are similar. I will write angle C equal to angle R, one thing. Next is angle B equal to angle Q equal to 90 degree. So from AA similarity, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Students, important while writing congruencies or similarities, order is very important. For example, triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR means the side AB equal to side PQ, the side BC equal to side QR, the side AC equal to side PQ, the angle A means angle CAB equal to angle RPQ, angle BCA equal to angle QRP, like that. In similarities also you need to take care. For example, ABC triangle similar to PQR triangle means the side AB must proportional to PQ side, BC side must proportional to QR side, AC side proportional to QR side. They are only said to be the corresponding sides. Okay, so what I want, if two triangles are similar, already you know that the corresponding sides are in proportion. Therefore AB by PQ equal to BC by QR, also equal to AC by PR, but you don't want AC here, just I want to compare those. Okay, next AB means what here, 1.65 by PQ, that should find H equal BC 1.8 by 5.4. So now I want to simplify this. 165 by 100H equal to 18 by 54. So H you want, H equal 165 into 54 by 18 into 100. Now we need to simplify this. 9 2s are 9 6s are 2 1s are 2 3s are, so 15 18 19 1 4 495 by 100, so that is called 4.95 meters. Their height of the lamp post is 4.95 meters, that you can write. Therefore height of the lamp post equal to 4.95 meters. Okay students, this is one example problem. Okay students, next example problem. A man sees the top of a tower in a mirror which is at a distance of 8.6 meters from the tower. The mirror is on the ground facing upward. The man is 0.4 meter away from the mirror and his height is 1.5 meters. How tall is the tower? So first of all, you want to read the problem carefully. Nana. According to this problem, you want to draw the diagram. First of all, I want to draw the rough diagram. This is the ground, this is the tower, and this is the person. So a mirror is placed on the ground, Okay, what happened? The person, a person sees the top of the tower in a mirror. This top of the tower, he observing the top of the in a mirror. This is a vision ray. This is a person vision ray. Here eye vision ray. This one vision ray. Okay, so he observing the top of the tower. Now should need to join these two. Okay, so this is vision ray. He is observing the top of the tower in the mirror. Okay, the mirror is on the ground facing upwards. Okay, mirror is facing upwards. The man is 0.4 meter away from the mirror. This 0.4 meters away from the mirror. Okay, his height is 1.5 meter. Okay, next what is given? A man sees the top of tower in a mirror which is a distance of 87.6 meters from the tower. This is 87.6 meters from the tower. What should find? Then you need to find the height of the tower, that will be h. So simple application. So this is 90 degree. Yeah, okay students, actually these two angles are equal. Why? Because for example this is the mirror, this is the incident ray, for example this is a reflection ray. Feel this is incident ray and this is reflection ray. So if this is the normal, this is called angle of incident and this angle of reflection. Okay, so this is the complement of reflection, this complement of the complement of incident, this complement of reflection, they are same. That's why these two angles are same. Already 90-90, therefore these two triangles are similar. From A similarity, from using that concept you can find the height of the tower. So first of all I want to draw the diagram for this. Students listen, this is the ground, this is the tower, this is the person. Okay, so this is the his vision ray. Yeah, so I want to label it now. Yeah, this is A, B, C, D, E. This is perpendicular. Height of the person is given as 1.5 meters. Okay, this is given as 8.87.6 meters. This length, yeah, this length is given as 0.4 meters. We want to find this height. Important thing is these two angles are equal. So this is theta, so this is beta, they are equal. I will write the reason why they are equal. Okay, no problem. So here the mirror is placed here only. This is the mirror. Okay, so for example this is said to be incident ray, this is reflection, or this is reflection. Incident, theta and beta are complements of incident ray and reflection ray. They should be equal. Okay, so yeah, I want to write one by one. First of all, let ED equal to h meters. Okay, yeah, what is this? H meters. Yeah, angle ACB, I will write angle ACB equal to angle ECD, that is theta equal to beta. The reason is, I will write reason, complements of incident and reflected angles are equal. Reflected angles are equal. So this is the reason why these two angles are equal. Complements of incident and reflection angles are equal. Okay, so what happened in 90 theta beta means these two triangles are directly similar from A similarity. I will write triangle, order important. I I will start BCA. BCA similar to BCA triangle. BCA means 90 to theta. Now here D to beta. DCE should write. DCE from A similarity. Automatically these two are equal, these two also equal. That is not a big problem. You can say the A similarity also. Okay. Now what do you want? You want ED. You want ED. ED you want. That's why AB by ED equal to what we have, BC we have. Okay. BC by DC is also equal to AC by C, but I don't want that. What is the reason why these two are equal? Means if two triangles are similar, the corresponding sides are in proportion. Okay. Now what we will get, Nana? AB. AB means 1.5. 1 minute. 1.5 by ED. ED. ED means H equal to BC. What here is BC? 0.4 by next DC, that is 87.6. Now I want to simplify this. So this is 15 by 10H equal to 40 by, okay, yeah, no need to write 40, no? Just 40 by 4 by 100, that is cancel. 4 by directly 876 I can write. Now I want to simplify next page, Nana. 10H is equal to 10H equal 876 into 15, 876 into 15 by 4. Height of the tower is 328.5 meters. Okay, now how tall is the tower? Means I can say that the tower is 328.5 meters. Okay students, next important similarities. So yesterday I explained about A similarity, its subterm is AA similarity. Now SAS similarity, SAS similarity. So second one, similarities theorems important, but in examination they will ask theorems, just they will ask problems only, but without concept we can't solve the problem. That's why these theorems are important. Important thing is no need to by heart these theorems. Okay, SAS similarity. If one angle of a triangle equal to one angle of other triangle and the including sides of these angles are proportional, then the two triangles are similar. So meaning I want to explain first of all. Here ABC triangle is given and another PQR triangle is given, so that this angle, one angle of first triangle equal to one angle of another triangle. One thing, angle A equal to angle P is given, and also given that AB side and AC side are proportional to side PQ and side PR. So these two sides are included with this angle only, no? So what is given? AB by PQ equal to AC by PR. So this is given and this is given. By using these two, we want to prove that these two triangles are similar. Okay, how can you prove two polygons are similar? Their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are in proportion. By using that, or another way you can prove that these two triangles are similar. Okay, first of all I will draw the diagram. Yeah, this is first triangle. Again I want to draw a triangle so that second triangle sides are more than the sides of first triangle. This is ABC triangle. This is PQR triangle. So given that this angle equal to this angle, so I will write given data first. Given in triangles ABC comma PQR, what are given should write, Nana. First one is angle A equal to, actually you need to write angle BAC instead of A. A means outer one also called angle A only, no? Yeah, angle A equal to angle P. Second thing is AB by PQ equal to AC by PR. PR is given. What should prove? Required to prove triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. So proof, same, comparing side AB with side PQ. Again there exist two possibilities, AB equal to PQ or AB not equal to PQ. From AB not equal to PQ, again you get two possibilities, AB greater than PQ or AB lesser than PQ. All the three cases I will prove that these two are similar. Okay, compare side AB with side PQ. Now cases will arise. Case 1. Yeah, AB equal to PQ. Okay, now if AB equal to PQ, observe student, already theta theta. Okay, I will write AB equal to PQ means what is the meaning of that? So that implies AB by PQ equal to 1. Already given AB by PQ equal to AC by PR. AC by PR also equal to 1, since AB by PQ equal to AC by PR. Okay, so what happened on here? AC equal to PR. What is the meaning of that? If AB equal to PQ, automatically AC also becomes PR. Now see the diagram. So we assumed that AB equal to PQ. Automatically what happened under this condition? AC also equal to PR. Already angle A equal to angle A equal to angle P. So AB equal to PQ, AC equal to PR, angle A equal to angle P means the two times are congruent from ASA congruency. Okay, that I will write now. Therefore, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR from SAS congruency. SAS, not AS, SAS congruency. If two triangles are congruent, automatically they are similar. Therefore, triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Two triangles are congruent and automatically they are similar. Means if two triangles similar, we can't say that they are congruent. Converse not true. Okay, those two triangles are similar. One case, that is AB equal to AC case. In remaining cases also I will show that they are similar. That's a case 2. What is my case 2? AB is not equal to PQ. AB not equal to PQ. One of the cases AB less than PQ and AB greater than PQ. According to my diagram, I will take AB less than PQ. Let us assume AB less than PQ. I will write something. AB less than PQ, AB by PQ less than 1 only. Just I divide throughout by PQ, I can divide throughout by PQ. PQ is a positive number. So instead of AB by PQ, what I can write? AC by PR I can write. I will write here implies AC by PR also less than 1. What is the meaning of that? AC is lesser than PR. What is the meaning of that? If AB is treated as lesser than PQ, AB is lesser than PQ, automatically AC also lesser than PR. Okay, so that we got now here. AB is lesser than PQ is taken. From that what you got now? AC lesser than PR. So what is the meaning of that? I can take a point M on this so that these two are equal. Automatic one more point I can take N on this side because already AC is lesser than PR only. No, on inside PR only I can take a point N so that this length equal to this. I will write that. Okay, so locate M comma N on PQ and PR respectively so that PM equal to AB comma PN equal to AC and join MN. That's all. Join MN. Okay students, observe here I will show you in diagram. So what is our assumption? PM equal to AB and PN equal to AC. Already angle A equal to angle P means these two triangles are similar only, no, are congruent. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PMN from SAS congruency. That I will write. Wait. Okay, I want write. So PM equal to AB, comma PN equal to AC, comma angle A equal to angle P, that is triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PMN from SAS congruency. That is, if two triangles are congruent, automatically they are similar. No? Triangle ABC similar to triangle PMN. Students, important observation, what happened again I want to say, AB equal to PQ case, directly we prove that these two are similar. Now my case is AB is less than PQ case. In AB less than PQ, automatically AC is less than PR. I located M and N, one point on PQ, another point is on PR, so that PM equal to AB and PN equal to AC. From there I got these two are congruent, means these two are similar. Actually, when prove that ABC is similar to PQR, but what I got now here, ABC is similar to PMN. Then after I will prove that PMN is similar to PQR. We want to show that A is similar to B. What I am proving? A is similar to C first, next C similar to B. What happened? Automatically A is similar to C only, no? So that is my plan. So what should prove now next? Now we want to prove that PMN triangle is similar to PQR triangle. Okay, I will show you. Wait. Leave it. Next, no. Yeah, I want to use this. AB by PQ equal to AC by PR given. So instead of this AB I can write PM. PM by PQ. Instead of this AC I can write PN by PR. Means what I will show you in diagram. So PM by PQ equal to PN by PR means what is the meaning of that? From converse of BPT, consider MN is parallel to QR. I will write means MN is parallel to QR. Converse of BPT. Okay, now I will show on the diagram. Now what happened and what you got, this is parallel to this. So what happened, this angle equal to this angle, corresponding angle. This angle is equal to this angle, corresponding angle. Observe the smaller triangle and bigger triangle. Two angles of smaller triangle are equal to angles of bigger triangle. So what is the meaning of that? The two triangles similar, no? From A similarity, already proved theorem. So what happened? PMN is similar to PQR, that only you want. Okay, I will write that. BPT. So I will write one by one. I will write clearly. So from triangles, one is PMN triangle, another one is PQR triangle. Now I compare, I want to show the angles equal. Just now I see this angle M equal to angle Q. PMN, I will write PMN, angle PMN. Angle PMN equal to angle PQR. So, comma, angle PNM equal to angle I want PRQ, I think. Yeah, PRQ. PRQ. Reason is corresponding angles. SP angles. Corresponding angles are equal. I can say, because two parallel lines cut by a transversal and corresponding angles equal only, no? So these two angles are equal. What happened in these two triangles? Okay, I will show you. In these two triangles, this angle equal to this and this angle equal to this means, see here, I will show you. Okay, I will draw there only diagram. Okay, friends, see here. So again I want to write here this is PMN triangle nana. This is PQR triangle. Just we got this angle equal to this and this angle is equal to this. Already this is common, so these two are similar. Therefore triangle PMN similar to triangle PQR. Yeah, this is second result. See first one. What is first to have? ABC similar to PMN, but from 1 what is that? Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PMN. So from 1 and 3, from 1 and 2, 1 and 2 we can say triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. This only one. See, PMN is similar to PQR, ABC is similar to PMN, so these two are same automatically. So PQR is similar to ABC. Student, this is another difficult similarity. Yes, CIS similarity. No need to by heart this theorem. Just observe how I got the result. That's all. So what should write now? What case I prove? Last one. AB is not equal to PQ case. That too AB lesser than PQ. Similarly, you can prove the case when AB is greater than PQ. Okay, I will write that. Similarly, we can prove for the case AB greater than PQ. Okay. Okay. Next similarity, SSS similarity. If in two triangles the sides of one are proportional to sides of other triangle, then the triangles are similar. So just like here, ABC triangle is given, PQR triangle is given. So what is the information here? AB by PQ equal to AC by PR equal to BC by QR. This is given. We want to prove that these two are similar. So it is better to prove that their corresponding angles are equal, or directly want to prove that they are similar. So this is given data. Based on this data, I need to complete the problem. Okay. First of all, I will draw the diagram here also. Okay, not good. This is one triangle. This is another triangle. Yeah, let us assume that this is PQR triangle. This is XYZ triangle. First of all, I wanted given data. Given. What is given? In triangles PQR comma XYZ. What is given in PQ by XY equal to PR by XZ equal to QR by YZ. What should prove? Required to prove triangle PQR is similar to triangle XYZ. Proof. Here also, again comparing with PQ with XY, three cases arise. PQ is equal to XY, PQ less than XY, PQ greater than XY. So compare side PQ with side XY. Okay, three cases will arise. I think this is not nice. I will write again. Compare the side PQ with side XY. So I wanted cases. Case 1. What nana? PQ equal to XY. Okay. If PQ is equal to XY implies PQ by XY equal to 1. Already PQ by XY equal to all this, no? I will write that. So, PR by XZ equal to QR by YZ equal to 1 only. So, instead of PQ by XY, I can write 1. What is the meaning of this? PR equal to XZ, comma, QR equal to YZ. Means if PQ is equal to XY, under this condition directly, so PR equal to XZ and QR equal to YZ, that you got. Means what happened? 3 sides of first triangle are equal to 3 sides of second triangle. From S congruency, the 2 triangles are congruent. I will write that. So, triangle PQR congruent to triangle XYZ. From S congruency. So, if two triangles are congruent, automatically they are similar. No? Triangle PQR similar to triangle XYZ. So, what I did done here, I proved these two triangles are similar in one case, that is PQ is equal to XY. So, PQ is equal to XY, automatically what you got? PR equal to XZ and QR equal to YZ. Yeah, now I am taking another case, man. Case 2, important case. Case 2, that is PQ is not equal to XY. PQ not equal to XY means again here several cases will arise. PQ is 2 cases will arise. PQ less than XY, PQ greater than XY. According to my diagram, I will take PQ less than XY. Let us assume PQ is lesser than XY. So, PQ less than XY, same nana. Again, we want to locate a point M like that. So, one more thing, PQ less than XY, what happened? PQ by XY less than 1. So, what we have here actually? PQ by XY equal to, okay, PR by YZ, PR by XZ equal to, yeah, QR by YZ, QR by YZ, QR by YZ. So, PQ by XZ less than 1 means instead of PQ by XY, I can write PR by YZ. That is not a big problem, no? So, that implies PR by XZ is also less than 1. What is the meaning of this? PR is lesser than XZ. Okay. So, what I assumed PQ less than XY, automatically what you got? PR less than XZ. From here also you got QR less than YZ also, while comparing these two. But enough these two, no? So, see on diagram, see in our diagram, what are my assumption? PQ less than XY, automatically PR less than XZ and QR less than YZ. Now, I can locate a point here, say A, here B, so that this equal to this and this equal to this, I can join these two. Okay, I will write that. So, locate A on XY, B on XZ, so that PQ equal to XA. Okay, next PQ PR equal to, yeah, XA XB. I want to cross check. XA XB. Okay. From triangles, I want to show you my plan. First of all, I want to prove this bigger triangle, a smaller triangle similar to bigger first. After that, I will prove that the smaller is similar to the smaller PQ. From there, I will get the result. That is my plan. Now, what happened? I want to prove that AB is parallel to YZ. I need to prove AB parallel to YZ from triangle XAB, comma XYZ. So, what you got, I will write now. What is given, I will write. First of all, what is given? I want to take this portion. PQ by XY. PQ by XY. PQ by XY equal to PR by XZ, I think. Okay, XZ. So instead of PQ, what I can write? Instead of PQ, see diagram. So just now I wrote, no? Instead of PQ, what I can write? XA I can write. XA by XY equal to XB by XZ. That implies, yeah, AB is parallel to YZ from converse of BBT. Okay, I want to show you. So XA by XY equal to XB by XZ means automatically this is parallel to this. If this is parallel, directly this angle equal to this angle and this angle equal to this angle, and XAB is similar to XYZ. I will write that. So implies, so I want to write angles first. What is XAB? XAB angle equal to XAB equal to XYZ comma XBA equal to XZY. Okay, from this one, AB parallel to Y means I will write corresponding angle. SP angles are equal. Just again and again I am explaining, two parallels can be transversal, their corresponding angles so formed are equal. Okay, therefore triangle, I will show you. This is one triangle. What is that triangle? XAB triangle, and this is XYZ triangle. Just I got this angle equal to this angle and this angle is equal to this angle. Already these two are same. From A similarity or AA similarity, these two are similar. That I will write. Triangle, yeah, XAB similar to triangle XYZ. This is important result. I think you people are following, no? XAB similar to XYZ. Next I will prove that XAB is similar to PQR. My plan is I want to show that these two are congruent. Okay, I will prove now. Interesting step. Okay, students, these two are similar, no? Now I can say that AB, two triangles similar, their corresponding sides are in proportion. AB by YZ equal to XA by XY I can write. So important thing, instead of XA, what I can write from diagram I will show you. Instead of XA I can write PQ. That is our assumption, no? So instead of that I will write here only implies AB by YZ equal to PQ by XY. Okay. Next again important thing, students, no, instead of PQ by XY, see here, instead of PQ by XY I can write PR by XZ or QR by YZ, anything you can write. So I want to write QR by YZ. So QR by YZ I will write. So I will write AB by XZ equal to QR by XZ. QR by XZ. Okay. So QR by YZ, sir, not XZ. QR by YZ. This is Y. Now observe, students, interesting step now here. These two get cancelled. So AB equal to QR implies AB equal to QR. Now this is important. AB equal to QR. Now I will show you in diagram. What I got? AB equal to QR. AB equal to QR. Already PQ is equal to X is our assumption. PR equal to XB our assumption. Now just you got QR equal to AB means these two triangles are congruent. I will write now that. Therefore, triangle PQR is congruent to triangle XAB from S congruency. Two triangles are congruent, automatically they are similar. Therefore, triangle PQR is similar to triangle XAB. Say result number 2 from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. Observe 1 and 2. What is 1? What is 2? I will show you. Yeah, what is 1, Nana? XAB similar to XYZ. XAB similar to XYZ. Now PQR similar to XAB. What is the meaning of that? Triangle PQR is similar to triangle XYZ. Okay, this only you want. What condition? PQ is less than XY case. Similarly, we can prove in the case of PQ is greater than XY. Students, this is also important and difficult similarity. Again, I am saying to you people, no need to by heart this theorem. Just observe how I proved. Given that PQR and XYZ are triangles, so that their sides are corresponding sides in proportion, we want to prove that they are similar. What I did, first of all, I compared PQ with XY. PQ is equal to XY, directly they are congruent, they are similar. Okay. PQ not equal to XY. Maybe PQ greater than XY or PQ lesser than XY. PQ less than XY. Under that case, if PQ less than XY, under this condition, automatically, so PR is lesser than XZ and QR is lesser than YZ. So that's why I located point A on XY and B on XZ, so that XA equal to PQ and XB equal to PR. From that I proved that this is parallel to this. After that I proved that this is similar to bigger. Okay, that is taken as equation 1. After that I tried to prove this triangle is similar to this. For that, what I did, I proved that AB side equal to QR side. AB side equal to QR side. Already PQ side equal to XA side, PR side equal to XB side. Now I put QR side equal to AB side. Therefore, these two triangles are congruent. Automatically, they are similar. From 1 and 2, I concluded that PQR triangle is similar to XYZ triangle. So, very difficult theorems. These three, A similarity, AS similarity, and SS similarity. No need to by heart this. Just need to observe how I proved. That's all. Students, this is a example problem. Yeah, interesting problem. Observe here. Gopal is worrying that his neighbor can see into his living room from the top floor of his house. He has decided to build a fence that its height enough to block the view from the top floor window. What should be the height of the fence? The measurements are given in the figure. This is the figure, Nana. So this is Gopal's house. This is Gopal's house. So Gopal's living room, this one. The neighbor is here at E. Okay, what is the Gopal saying? Gopal is worrying that his neighbor can see into his living room. So what he want to? You want a fence. Okay, a wall. So I can say that the wall is a DP. This is the wall, required wall, DP. DP is the required wall. So here all measurements are given. We want to find DQ length. Already this is CR is 1.5 means BQ also 1.5. It is enough to find DB. Okay, it is enough to find DB. I will write. Let length of fence be DQ meters. Okay, that is DQ. DQ should find. Here also we need to use similar triangles concept. Actually, here students listen. This triangle is similar to the bigger right triangle actually. Okay, so that is not a big problem for us. I want to write that one only. All are mentioned. No need to write again and again. Just I want to write triangle ABD similar to triangle ACE. Okay, BD first of all I want first of all. BD by CE equal to AB is there. Okay, AB 2 is there. Okay, AB by AC. Now just substitutions on BD I want as it is right. CE, where is CE? CE 1.2. AB means 2 units. AC total. This is 2. This is total 8 is given clear in the problem. 8 I can write. 4 means 1.2. BD equal to 1.2 by 4, that is equal to 0.3. So length of the fence, length of the fence equal to 1.5 plus 0.3, that is equal to 1.8. 1.8, okay, 1.8. Now I want cross check. 1.5, okay, 1.8 meters is the length of the fence that he should build. Okay students, just we completed all three similarities. Now we need to solve problems. This is first problem from 8.2 exercise. In the given figure, angle ADE, this angle is equal to angle B. This angle, say this is theta, means this is also theta. Then show that triangle ABC similar to ADE, and if AD is 3.8, AE is 3.6 something, we want to find DF. Okay, first of all I want to prove ABC triangle is similar to triangle ADE. Yeah, see here, this A is common for both the triangles. Yeah, first of all I want to separate the triangles. Okay students, this is not good. Okay, observe here, this is okay, this is one triangle and this is another triangle. So I will show you which one is. This is say A, nana, this is D, this is E, this is A, this is C, this is B. I think D should find. Okay, so what is given at C 90 degree, and this is these two same, no, angle A only. Angle ADE, this angle is equal to angle B already given. So observe students, this says beta, so this also beta only. Beta, theta, these two terms are similar from A similarity. So I will write yeah, from triangles, which triangles you need to write in order, nana. ABC triangle, comma, triangle ADE triangle. So now I want to compare here angle A and angle A same. Angle A equal to angle A, comma, angle ABC equal to angle ADC. So they are similar. Therefore, triangle ABC similar to triangle ADE from A similarity. Okay. So, okay students, so we proved ABC triangle similar to ADE. I think this is E, not C. So one more thing is, I think this is not right triangle. Just they gave right triangle. This is not right triangle. Just yeah. Now what should find, Anna? We want to find DE. DE should find. So by using this result only I can find DE. Now I will write in next page. Triangle ABC similar to triangle ADE. Yeah, from this I want D, first of all write BC by DE equal to AB by AD is also equal to BC by already BC by DE already completed, already AC by AD also, but I don't want that. So why in examination you need to write if two triangles are similar, the corresponding sides are in proportion. Okay, now I want to substitute the values. BC, where is BC? BC, yeah, BC is 4.2. 4.2 by DE, that is required one. AB, yeah, AB means total 2.1 plus 3.6, 5.7. 5.7 by AD, where is AD? AD this, AD 3.8. Now I want to simplify this, or DE directly I can say 4.2 into 38 by 57. or DE I can say 42 by 10 into 38 by 57. 3 1s are 3 19s are 3 1s are 3 4s are 19 2s are. So DE equal to 28 by 10, that is equal to 2.8. Therefore DE is equal to 2.8 units. Since what do you want? We want DE, so I can say that is 2.8 units or centimeters, all in given centimeters, no? So it's right at last centimeters. cm. Okay. Yeah, next problem, interesting problem. The perimeters of two similar triangles are 30 and 20 respectively. If one side of the first triangle is 12 centimeter, determine the corresponding side of the second triangle. For solve this problem, I need to explain some important concept. I will write this is IMP. Listen all of you. So through diagram I will explain that. For example, this is the ABC triangle. This is PQR triangle. So this is length small a, this is small v, this is small c. So this is small q, this is small r, this is small v. So I will write given triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Automatically the corresponding sides in proportion A by P equal to B by Q equal to C by R. Okay. Already you know in a ratio proportion, if A by B equal to C by D equal to E by F, this ratio also equal to A plus C by B plus D plus F. So you can extend for infinity ratios for this property. That property is from ratio proportion. That's why directly I can write here A by B equal to A by P equal to B by Q equal to C by R is same as A plus B plus C by P plus Q plus R. So what is A plus B plus C? Perimeter of triangle ABC. What is none of P plus Q plus? Perimeter of triangle PQR. So from this what we got one important result. Two triangles are similar, the ratio of their perimeters are in the ratio of their corresponding sides. I want to write. Therefore, if two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in the ratio of their perimeters. If two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in the ratio of their perimeters. Students, this is very very important. If two triangles are similar, the ratio of the corresponding sides are in the ratio of the corresponding perimeters. Okay. Okay, by using this I can complete the solution for second problem. Okay students, I will write in next page. I can say solution for second problem. So perimeter of triangle ABC by something, perimeter of triangle PQR equal to, yeah, I want to read the question. Okay, 30 20 1 of the 12. Okay, directly I want to write now 12 by corresponding side say x. So this 30 by 20 equal to 12 by, actually you need to write steps now. Okay, so 2 get cancel, 0 get cancel, yeah. 3 1 x equal 8 units. The meaning of that, the side corresponding to 12 units is 8 units. So that should write. Okay, third problem. A girl of height 90 centimeter is walking away from the base of the lamp post at the speed of 1.2 meter per second. Okay, first of all I want to draw the diagram. Yeah, this is the lamp post. Yeah, this is the ground. Okay, initially that girl is at the lamp post, she is walking. Automatically this is lamp post should be light, no? For example, yeah, this is the girl at a time instance, so this is her shadow. Okay, first of all I will read the question. A girl of 90 centimeters is walking away from the base of the lamp post at the speed of 1.2 meter per second. The lamp post is 3.6 meter above the ground. Find the length of her shadow after 4 seconds. Interesting problem. So students, what I am saying, initially girl is at this point. Initially she is walking, automatically her shadow will change. So after 4 seconds we want to find what is the length of our shadow. Not 4 second instance, we are not using differentiation here, just 4 seconds time you want to find. At that time you assume that the girl will stop at the somewhere at 4 seconds. At that time you want to find the what is the length of her shadow. Why I am saying she will stop means not instantaneous rate of change of shadow, just at what time, that time you want to find the what is the her shadow, what is the length of her shadow. Okay, so I want again I want draw diagram, just I explain clearly. Yeah, this is the lamp post, this is the ground. After after 4 seconds girl, okay sorry, after 4 seconds girl's position is here. Okay, 1 minute. Yeah, this is girl's position. Now your front shadow, this is her shadow after 4 seconds. So I want to take this is x, y, something is given, I want to write. So I want to label it A, B, C, D, E. This is perpendicular. Now I want to see what is given. Girl height is given 90, speed is given, lamp post is 3.6 meters. This is 3.6 meters. Girl height is given 90 centimeters. We don't want it centimeters, I want in meters. I want to divide with 9. 0.9 I can say, 0.9. I want cross check 60 or 90 only. 0.9 meters. Okay. So what is the y means the distance traveled by the girl in 4 seconds, that is y. Speed of the girl is given. Speed of girl is 1.2 meter per second. 1.2 meter per second. Okay. After 4 seconds. Okay. How much distance she traveled should find. Okay, distance traveled by girl in 4 seconds is, in 1 second 1.2 meter, in 4 seconds 4 into 1.9, 1.2 meters is equal to 4.8 meters. So that is nothing but y equal to, now I can say that 4.8 meters. Now you want to find x. Observe here, the smaller right triangle is similar to bigger right triangle, that is a concept. So triangle ECD similar to triangle EBA. How can you say me? This is common for both the triangles, here 90 degree, here 90 degree. I can say from A similarity. Okay, next what you want? EC you want. Okay, I will write EC by EB. There, that is x plus y, that is not a big problem. EB equal to DC. Yeah, there DC by AB. So this is also equal to ED by EA, but you don't want that. So now you want to substitute EC by EB. EC means x by x plus y equal to, yeah, DC 0.9 by, what is this, 0.9 by, yeah, AB, this one. Okay, 3.6, 0.9 by 3.6, 0.9 by 3.6. 6. So what is that, Nana? X by x plus y equal to 9 by 36. 4x equal to x plus y, or 3x equal to y. 3x is already y, you got something, no? I want to show you. I want 4.8. 4.8. So what is x, Nana? Here x equal to 4.8 by 3. Let's go 3 1s are 3 6 are 3.6 meters. Therefore, length of girl's shadow of girl. Okay, students, length of shadow of girl equal to 1.6 meters. Okay, completed.